Hello, everyone. So, today and the rest of this week, I'm actually on vacation. In this video, we're going to be doing a house tour. This is the front door. Okay, so we have an AC here and a shoe area. That's really cool. We have this, like, upholstery moose leaf thing. That's another cool thing. We have these big windows. Like, big windows. That's awesome. And then, so here's a rocking chair. It looks a little bit chewed up, but it's probably just other animals that have been here, like dogs and cats. So we have this table here. Most of this is our stuff, but this is the only thing that's actually from this cabin here. And this is the cabin is my happy place. And then there's another type of coaster. There's a heater here, but it's like 70 degrees outside, so we don't really need it. We got this big couch. Or, not couch. It's one of those relaxed chairs. It's, you're able to actually use the things on the side here. There's buttons that you can press, and they do things, which I'm not going to demonstrate because I can't do that without two people. So now over here we have a dining area. Like real wood stools. That's really cool. This is a really cool dining area. I do like this. We have the kitchen area. I have to back up just to see this entire thing. There we go. There's the entire kitchen. I'm trying to hold the camera still, but it's hard to while I'm walking. Microwave, stove. The countertops are actually concrete. The sink, some other amenities, the fridge, and there's actually some cool stuff up there. Then we have the cabinets, and then the counters. Oh, and there's a dishwasher. Forgot to mention that. And then over here we have the pantry, which we don't have in my house, which I don't know if I'm going to do a house tour or not of my house, but here's the pantry. It's pretty cool. It's nice, small. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. This doesn't actually close, like click in. But then in here we have the bathroom. So I'm going to open the door all the way and turn the light on. So we have the bathroom. Let me turn this light on too so I can actually see. There we go. Most of this stuff is ours. So the counters and the sink were default here. We have this little storage space down here. Now, actually, in here, I don't know if I can peek in or not. No, I can't peek in. But we have the washing machine, but they have it locked for some reason. So, oh well. The sink works good. And then we have the toilet with the toilet paper and all that, but that's just how that works. Here's the toilet. It is a Kohler. Looks really cool. I guess I'll give it a flush. So there's a flush of the toilet. Really cool. Trash can, a table where we put our towels. Then we have this cool thing over here, which is the shower. It's actually a stand shower. At my house, I have a tub, so it's actually a cool little amenity that we have. I'm gonna go and turn out the lights real quick, and then we'll move on to the next room. I am gonna have to clip this though, the next room, because I have to pause for a minute and do something. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So in this room we have the first bedroom, and this is a queen-sized bed. Got a queen-sized bed. I could barely fit it in the screen. It's so big. In here we have the this is the dresser and a clothes basket. Over here we have a closet. Now in this house, I don't know why, but I can't open any of the closets. Like they're not locked, but I think they're broken. So our luggage. We have an AC. This is the second room with the AC, and this is also the last AC. Have another kind of like counter thing right here, and we have the TV, and we actually have direct TV. That's really cool. And down here is a DVD player, and over here is a tiny little shelf thing. I cannot hold the camera still today. I'm sorry. Okay. So then now, I forgot to actually mention something. So I'm gonna come back. I forgot to mention we also have this couch here with the coffee table. It's actually really nice wood finish. There's this little birdhouse over here, a little sign and stuff. If we come over to here, we can go ahead and see the there it says welcome to Acres Pond. We're on Acres Pond, and there's a mirror and a birdhouse. It's actually interesting. Now down here in the stairwell, there's also something interesting. Readjusting the camera. This thing here actually folds down, and I'll go and show you that. As you can see, this thing folds down. That's actually really cool. I think that's a really cool feature. But we're going to leave it open for this video. So now I'm going to go and head downstairs. So I just got to get down the stairs. Woo! It's actually very steep stairs. So when we get down here, we have this really cool handrail, which is actually cool. Oh, okay, down these stairs. These are steep stairs, so it's one low thing. Okay. So then down here, as soon as we get down here, we have a couch, and we have a bench, and an armchair. A thing of books. The TV stand thing, but the TV doesn't stand on it. This is actually a big screen TV, the biggest TV in the house. Yeah, it is a Sharp, which is an older style TV, which is actually really cool. My camera does not want to focus today, I'm sorry. And then, I don't know why, but randomly we have a Christmas tree here. It's July, and there's still a Christmas tree. It's the end of July, actually. And then there's a sign back there. So then as we come behind here, we have this area, which is, let me get over here. We have this little area where you can go out, a little patio area. But this is a house tour, so I'm not going to go outside. We have this a second dining area with some cool lighting. I think it's this one. Yeah, cool lighting. And then we have this really cool picture of a dog. My camera's starting to get dark. But yeah, there that is. It's actually a really good picture. And then we have this bench that has I believe this is chess or maybe checkers. This is a candle and this cool wreath thing. And we have this really cool lamp, tall lamp, and a shelf. And then I forgot to mention over here we have a second heater. It's too hot to use it. My fishing gear. And then we have a coat hanger and a moose head. That's actually carved out of wood. That's also a coat hanger. That's actually really cool. Wow. It's actually the basement, so the basement legally has to have egress windows. So there's egress windows all throughout the basement, except for the bathroom. So I guess the next thing to go and take a look at is, of course, the bathroom. This is my bathroom because I'm actually living in the basement. Or, well, I sleep in the basement, so this is my bathroom. We got the sink. Now you should hear a noise if I run enough water. And the sink works well. I think you plug it from the back. That's really cool. So now we have the toilet, trash can, toilet paper. And this is locked. Here's the toilet. This one is an American Standard. And if we look inside, here it is. Go and give it a flush for you guys, because I know you want to hear it. There you go. A bit of a flush for the American standard. Actually sweating, huh? Okay. Actually, there's a plunger back there too. I didn't see that. Some cool that's the amenities. There's the soap, mirror. Hey everyone. The fancy light, shelf, and it looks like this metal pot thing. That's actually really cool. And then this moose in the woods. That I think is really cool. That holds your towels. Right, so we'll move into a different room. Close this door. This door, locked. Inside of here is a sewage pump, a sewage drain pump, and a water pressure pump. In here is also locked. There's 2 doors locked down here. But in here, this is my room. So here's my room. I kind of have it all set up for me. But we got these. I got a shelf, bunk bed, fan, nightstand, a closet. No, that's the closet, and that's also locked. I can't. Oh, dresser. There we go. And then I have a TV. This is my bed. This is a full-sized bed, which I have. I can't remember what I have at my house. There. This is my full-sized bed, which I am going to go ahead and kick these back up. You can't see the sheets, what they look like. Damn. Oh well. And then here's my stuff over here, my phone charger, all that, my lights charged, TV remote, all this. Deodorant. Okay, well, there's that. Yet again, closet, locked, fan, that's that. So that is my room. And this is all in the basement. Egress windows. I said I'd show you them all. There's an egress window right here, and an egress window right here for the basement. Alright, we're going to go and shut the light out. And that is actually going to be it, because there is no other room in this house. I showed you them all. So, yeah, here's a little view of the outside. I'll just show you. We have a dock and everything. Nice view from the outside. Very nice view, I actually like that. And yeah. So that is actually going to be the end of the video. Now, something I missed is right here. There is a coat hanger. Ooh, I jumped. The water compressor turned on. And then we have this. It says home. Gotta get another hand on this thing. This thing not so focused. And then we have a checker picture. That's cool. All right. Well, that is gonna end it. Because there is nothing else I can show you, really. If I missed something, I'll just quickly go over it. But that's it. There's nothing else. So, if you made it to the end of the video, I thank you very much. Let's see. If you made it to the end of the video, comment hope. That works. Hope is a good word. Hope for the future. Comment hope if you made it to the end of the video. And so that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Peace out.